Did you know this? Right now, as you read this on May 23rd, 2025, billions of pounds are changing hands on stock markets, on currency exchanges all over the world. And the ones making the big decisions, not always humans. Often it's just lines of code, silent, unseen, incredibly fast. This is the new reality of trading, a revolution happening in the digital shadows, and you're probably not part of it. Yet, this code talks to the market through something called an API. Think of it like a secret messenger. It carries instructions, it brings back information faster than any human could. It doesn't get tired. It just executes. So, what happens if you ignore this? If you stick to the old ways, you click your mouse, you watch the charts, and you feel the thrill or the panic? Well, you're bringing a knife to a gunfight, a very fast gunfight. The market doesn't wait. It doesn't care about your internet speed or your lunch break. Opportunities flash by, milliseconds. That's the time scale we're talking about. Blink and you miss dozens. Imagine this, a stock price dips, a perfect entry point. You see it. You move to click, but 1,000 algorithms saw it too. Their orders hit the exchange. While your signal was still traveling down your phone line, the price snaps back. Or worse, it keeps dipping. But the tiny profit you aimed for vanished. So, what's the good news? Well, it's something that could change the way you trade forever. The good news is this isn't just for the big city firms anymore. It's not just for those with deep pockets and high-end technology, not for the Wall Street wizards with billion-pound computers. APIs are becoming accessible for people like you, for the individual trader. Imagine having the same tools as the pros, right at your fingertips. This is your way in, your gateway to a world of opportunities that were once out of reach. This is how you can level the playing field. A little bit, anyway. It's about giving you a fighting chance in a game that's often felt rigged. It's about understanding what this toolkit, the API, can do for you. Think of it as your secret weapon in the trading world, and it can do a lot, more than you might initially think. It's not just about automating trades, it's about enhancing your entire trading strategy. In this guide, we'll pull back the curtain. We'll show you the ins and outs of how APIs can transform your trading experience. We'll look at the real, tangible benefits, 5 of them, each one designed to give you an edge, each one a potential game changer for your trading. We're talking about speed, the kind of speed that can make or break a trade, the kind that leaves manual traders in the dust. We're talking about vigilance, constant, unwavering vigilance, eyes on the market when yours are closed. We're talking about discipline, the kind of discipline that ensures you stick to your strategy, trading based on rules, not whims, pure, unadulterated logic. That's powerful. It's about making decisions based on data, not emotions. You'll learn how an API can help you build smarter strategies that are well thought out and meticulously planned. Complex plans that a human brain under pressure might struggle to execute flawlessly. But with an API, you can handle complexity with ease, and we'll touch on data, the lifeblood of trading, how to harness it, analyze it, and use it to your advantage. First up, speed. This is the big one, the headline grabber. In trading, speed isn't just nice to have, it's often everything. Markets move at the speed of light, or at least the speed of data, through fiber optic cables. An API lets your trading instructions travel at that speed, or very close to it. No human can click that fast, not even close. It's a physical impossibility. Consider arbitrage, a simple idea. A stock is priced differently on 2 exchanges. Buy low on one, sell high on the other. Instant, risk-free profit. Sounds easy? It was, for a fleeting moment. Now algorithms spot these tiny differences in microseconds. They execute the trades, the opportunity vanishes. Section 5, Advantage 2, the tireless trader, your 24/7 market machine. Next, let's talk about endurance. Humans need sleep. We get tired, we lose focus. It's biological. Our brains aren't wired for constant high-stakes vigilance, especially not for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The global markets, however, are pretty much always open somewhere. The Forex market never sleeps. Cryptocurrencies trade around the clock. If you're not watching, you're missing something, or worse, something is happening to your open positions. An API-driven trading bot doesn't need sleep, it doesn't need coffee breaks, it doesn't get bored staring at charts. It can monitor prices, it can track indicators, it can execute trades flawlessly. Section 6, Advantage 3, ice in your veins, logic over emotion, emotions. The trader's worst enemy, fear, greed, hope, despair. They cloud judgment, they lead to bad decisions. We've all been there. You see a trade going against you, panic sets in, you sell, only to watch it turn around and rocket up, or a stock is climbing, everyone's euphoric, you jump in, afraid of missing out, right at the peak, just before it tumbles. These are classic psychological traps, and they cost fortunes. Section 7, Advantage 4 and 5. The strategy architect and data detective building smarter, seeing clearer. Now let's talk about sophistication and insight. In the world of trading and strategy, these two elements are crucial. They can make the difference between a good decision and a great one. Advantage 4 and API lets you become a true strategy architect. It empowers you to design and implement complex strategies that would be nearly impossible to manage manually. Humans can juggle a few ideas at once. We can manage a handful of tasks, but our capacity is limited. A few conditions for a trade, but complex strategies, multiple indicators, these can quickly become overwhelming. Conditional orders based on what other assets are doing. This adds another layer of complexity that gets tricky to execute manually, especially under pressure. The human brain can only handle so much at once. With an API, you can build these intricate systems that can handle multiple variables and conditions seamlessly, systems that react to a symphony of market signals, not just one or two. They can process and respond to a multitude of data points in real time. Imagine a strategy that only buys a tech stock if the overall market index is trending up. This is just one example of the kind of sophisticated strategy you can implement, and if the tech sector ETF is also up. This adds another layer of confirmation to your strategy, and if the stock's volume is above average. Volume can be a key indicator of market interest and potential price movement, and if a specific technical pattern appears. Patterns can provide insights into potential future price movements. That's a lot to track and execute manually instantly. The human mind can struggle to keep up with so many variables. An API script can monitor all these conditions simultaneously across multiple time frames. It can handle the complexity and execute trades with precision, and execute with precision when everything aligns. This ensures that you never miss an opportunity. The scientific bit here is about computational power. Modern computers can process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Algorithms can process vast decision trees and multiple data streams far beyond human capability in real time. This allows for more sophisticated and effective strategies. Your tip? Start by automating one existing strategy, then gradually add layers of complexity and conditions as you get more comfortable. This approach allows you to build confidence and expertise. Always backtest each new element. Backtesting helps ensure that your strategy is sound and can perform well under different market conditions. Advantage 5, the API as your data detective. It can sift through mountains of data to find the insights you need. Section 8, your API blueprint from zero to automated hero. So there you have it, the case for APIs. They are the backbone of modern trading systems, enabling seamless integration and automation. Speed that leaves others standing. With APIs, you can execute trades in milliseconds, far faster than any human could. A tireless market watcher, on duty 24/7. APIs don't sleep, they don't take breaks, and they don't get tired. The cold, hard logic that trumps emotional blunders. They follow the rules you set without letting emotions cloud their judgment. The power to build intricate trading strategies. You can design and implement complex algorithms that can adapt to market conditions, and the ability to dive deeper into data than ever before. APIs allow you to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. It sounds like a lot, and it is, but with the right approach it becomes manageable. But it's not out of reach, not anymore. With the right tools and resources, anyone can get started. This isn't just for the quants in their ivory towers. This is for you, whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner getting started. First, pick a broker that offers a good, well-documented API. Many do now, but look for one that suits your needs and has a supportive community. Next, you'll likely need to learn a bit of programming. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Python is a popular choice, it's versatile, powerful, and has a large community of users. It's relatively easy to learn. With a bit of practice, you'll be writing your own scripts in no time. There are tons of free resources online. Start small, don't try to build a complex system right away. Write a script to simply fetch the current price of a stock. This will give you a feel for how APIs work. Then, to place a paper trade. This way, you can test your strategies without risking real money.